You can make or break the audit outcomes by how you brief the energy auditor. So you can define success in financial terms. You can provide hurdle rates, deferred paybacks, and capital constraints. You can be quite specific about the level of detail you want put into cost estimates, and you may even insist on some guarantees. You could share the production realities. Give them as much data as you can. Shift patterns, product changeovers, quality tolerances, seasonal effects, planned expansions, and continue this data. You need to open the data door. Give them bills, give them interval data, give them SCADA trends, give them access to the SCADA system, give them maintenance logs, show them data and rejects, give them ambient utility data. Now you should be insisting on measurement, and if a major recommendation lacks real measurements or a test plan, it's not really investment grade. And as a person who assesses in energy audits for this investment grade energy auditor certification, ask your energy auditor to deliver both some quick wins, plus those in the mid capex range, and plus those which are more strategic with longer capex. And each showing how M&V might be undertaken and the risk range. And then plan an independent review. Signal up front that a third party will review, such as 80-20 green. And this should elevate rigor from the start. So we've actually got an entire course in the Sustainability Education Academy on commissioning, managing and reviewing an energy audit. So you're better equipped to manage the auditor and get a good outcome for both you and the auditor. So what's your action plan? I'm going to give you 6 points here. Okay. Firstly, shortlist auditors who've got industrial experience and also ask if they're IGEA certified. Secondly, scope for an investment grade. Look at the baseline and measurement plan, system focus, and also ask for M&V, which is often independent of the audit, but it's a good thing to ask for. Insist on realistic ranges of savings. Ask for a range of potential savings, not just a single point savings with uncertainty bands. And then, if the low end of the range satisfies your financing requirements, well, then you've probably got a pretty good project, presuming that the investigation has been thorough. Prioritize your largest loads, such as process heat, refrigeration, compressed air, motor power systems. Fifth, book in an independent review and 80-20 green. Have 80-20 green sanity check the audit before you commit to capital expenditure. And sixth, as I mentioned right at the start, lock in measurement and verification so that finance sees savings and operations keep those savings.